Hi guys, good morning. This is Muhammad Nasir from Qatar. Uh, Last time I posted one video. This is the part two. You see the car painting is going on. Now, yesterday only they start. So, yeah, maybe within 2 days they can finish.
और
I think you can see the color. They
हाँ अच्छा
removed
ना
everything, the bumper and the doors, the interior, everything.
फिनिशिंग
Because
जाए
this
मैं
one I'm changing the color, right?
इंशाल्लाह
So they need to remove all these things, the beading, and there is minor dent. They did some putty, and they removed all the late everything. See this color? Now the car is like this. They finishing or almost finished the painting, but the color it's because of the evening. And now this video I took in the evening, so it looks not that much exact color. And they finish the painting. They need to fix the light and other accessories. They fixed the door. The sunroof still remaining, and seat inside completely dirty. And I have some work. Yeah, it's like this. The leading, everything is remaining. The finishing is okay. Now everything is finished. It's complete. I got new number plate. I finished the inspection also. So I changed all this four tire, and I did so many works. So, and the light, headlamp, and this tail lamp, everything. I changed. Tail lamp I bought new, and this headlamp I bought from scrap, and the sunroof also is working now. It's working good. Almost is okay everything. See this headlamp I bought it from the scrap. Yeah, but still there is some minor oil leak. I didn't fix this one. I have to fix this AC compressor and the oil. Is the interior. I can start. So one time start one time press key. It will start. So it's very easy. And the horn also is working good. Yeah. This is the button for the sunroof. It's okay. It's working. Even if it is 1919, it's 99 model, 1999. It's working. Yeah. And in the interior, I clean little bit. I have something more. Uh, yeah, this is the door. This is the things. It's opening the sunroof. I open. You can see the sunroof is open. Yeah, I think it looks good. And I will try to close this one also. Then I'll close the sunroof. So, I'll open close the sunroof.